Hello, welcome to thonnhsu's memoir. I'm a business management graduate in my 20s, driven by a love for travel, adventure, great food, and lifelong learning. Here, I share my journeys, food discoveries, insights from global youth programs, and lessons for exploring the world. Try with me as I share unforgettable memories from my memoir. In this second episode of Bangkok Thailand trip with my mom and sister in 2022, I'll be sharing our memories of visiting famous places like Grand Palace, Wat Pho Pagoda, Icon Siam, Asiatique, and Chinatown. So what are you waiting for? Let's explore together with us. The first stop for the second day was the Grand Palace and Emerald Boulder. The Grand Palace comprises numerous buildings, halls, and temples arranged around lawns, gardens, and courtyards. It is located in the heart of the city, along the banks of Bangkok's major river, the Chao Praya. The Emerald Boulder is inside this building, but photos and videos are not allowed to be taken inside. Then we explore around the Grand Palace. Another place that we visited inside the Grand Palace was the Queen Sirikit Museum of Textiles. The establishment of this museum embodies Queen Sirikit's efforts to ensure the preservation of Thailand's textile arts for future generations. Our next stop was Wat Pho Pagoda. It is an 80,000 square meter Buddhist temple located 700 meters south of the Grand Palace. It houses the largest collection of Buddha figures in Thailand. Next, we went to Icon Siam to go shopping and have our lunch. It is next to the Chao Praya River and has many shops and restaurants. On the ground floor, Sook is located and it has a unique indoor flowing market. The aim of Sook is to represent the 76 provinces of Thailand and provide an insight into the country's culture. Here, you can try various famous Thai dishes. Personally, I don't like the taste of the food that we bought for Sook and we feel like the price is a bit expensive. When you're in Icon Siam, I highly recommend to go up to the rooftop and enjoy stunning views of the Chao Praya River. Next, we took free ferry from Siam to Asiatique. But since 2023, free shuttle boat service is no longer available. Now you will need to take a paid public boat, or you can take the BTS and use other transport to Asiatique. Asiatique is located along the Chao Praya River. You can explore top attractions like Asiatique Sky and Bangkok Leisures Ferris wheel. Plus, you can enjoy a variety of Thai street food and international cuisine. On the third day, we started our day late and spent half of the day shopping at the Siam Premium Outlet. I have already shown Siam Premium Outlet in the first episode, so I will skip it in this one. Then we went to Chocolate Valley. The last stop for day 3 is Chinatown. The first place we visited on day 4 was Chatuchak Market. I didn't get to take videos, but the market is massive and most of the shops are selling at cheap price. We tried taking BTS to go to Big C. There are so many variety of snacks and food inside Big C, and I think we bought around 2,000 Thai baht worth amount of snacks. As a lover of museum and art galleries, it is essential for me to put famous museum and art galleries in my itinerary whenever I visit a country. Having said that, our next stop was Bangkok Art and Culture Center. The last stop for day 4 is Open House Bookshop inside Central Embassy, Bangkok. This is the end of our Bangkok, Thailand trip. We hope you had a great time exploring together with us and got some ideas for your itinerary to Bangkok. So many unforgettable memories from my memoir will be coming soon on my channel, so stay tuned!